Hi, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for who will be your next partner. Okay? And this is pile number one. And let's get started. We have four cards for you. The Nine of Cups, the King of Swords, the King of Cups, and the Page of Wands. And I feel like it's someone very enthusiastic and very sensitive. He loves nature and animals, a good speaker, and someone very supportive. Okay? And I have some letter for you. Okay. We have number 20, A, policeman, dark skin, gray eyes, K, V, very sexy, 9, 26, E, nurse, April, July, November, Aquarius, 29, 8, 28, B, 4, August, L, short, airport, dentist, 6, 19, piercing, 27, an artist, W, Aries, and the number 31. By number one, this is your reading. Thank you so much for watching and being here. Take care. Bye. Hi. Bye number two. Welcome to my channel. This is your reading. Who will be your next partner? Okay, and let's get started. I have four cards for you. Hierophant, Justice, the Page of Pentacles, and the Queen of Wands. And I feel like it's someone very traditional and loyal, maybe someone very attractive, good looking, partial. With the Page of Pentacles, I feel like it's someone new, a new connection. Okay? And this card is, I feel like it's a marriage card too. Okay? And I have some numbers, some letter for you. What do we have? We have February next year, F2, 25, 5, Y, Scorpio, 2022, Pisces, Fisherman, T, 10, lawyer, blue eyes, Leo, shy, park, Z, S, 22, cook, R, M, B, 11, Tor, March, Virgo, long hair, check, biker. By number 2, this is your reading. Thank you so much for watching and being here. Take care. Bye. Hi, by number 3, this is your reading. Who will be your next partner? Okay? And let's get started with 4 cards. Then we have Page of Swords, Page of Cups, the Emperor, and the King of Pentacles. Okay, I feel like it's someone very mature, stable, an entrepreneur, powerful, confidence, prosperity and success. With the page, it's intellectual, pursuit dreamer, an open angel for the heart, and curiosity. Okay, I have some number and letter for you. As we have blonde hair, Taurus, December, Baker, September, Capricorn, High, Abs, Gemini, 30, Mechanic, Romantic, Libra, June, Party, 3, 12, 13, online, May, O, 24, Gray Eyes, 23, X, C, 21, a dog, H, Pilot, Q. By number 3, this is your reading. Thank you so much for watching and being here. Take care. Bye. Hi, by number 4, this is your reading. Who will be your next partner? Okay? And let's get started. I have 4 cards for you. 9 of Wands, so 9 of Pentacles, and 9 of Swords, and the 10 of Pentacles. And I feel like it's someone There's a lot of spontaneity, fast energy, the pursuit of adventure, a lot of ambition, someone successful, determined, hard worker, and with the Ten of Pentacles is building, building material security, building a legacy, prosperity, long-term success, and abundance. Okay, and I have some letters and number for you. have we have church, cancer, 18, friends, 17, dark hair, 14, 16, Sagittarius, October, number, work, fireman, next month, January, doctor, 15, 7, G, C, tattoo, 1, music, Z, funny, brown eyes, and the A. By number 4, this is your reading. Thank you so much for watching and being here. Take care. Bye.